Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to see what's happening for Scorpions in their love life, and this is a bonus reading. I've already done a love reading for Scorpions for July 2020, so you can check that. I will link it in the description or in the first comment. So if you haven't seen that already, I will link that. And yes, this is a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. This is for Scorpions. Let's see what's happening in their love life. This is going to be a very short reading. Okay, first card is the Daughter of Wands, Son of Swords, Mother of Swords. These are your person's feelings. These are your feelings. The Emperor, Daughter of Pentacles, the Moon. Okay, and the bottom of deck is Four of Cups. I can see your person. First, let me clear with which signs you're dealing. You might be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag with this Daughter of Wands. You might be dealing with air sign with this Son of Swords and Mother of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. An earth sign or a young earth sign. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I'm seeing your person, they will come with they want to take some action very badly. This person wants to take some action. They want to come back, either start talking to you. They want to just rush in your life with whomsoever you're dealing with. And they are quite mixed with their feelings. They are not quite sure about how they feel about you. Okay, with this Daughter of Wands, I think they have this passion, they have this sexual passion towards you, for you. Okay, they just want to rush in. They just want to they just want to take some action and talk with you. They might start with a little here and there, like hi, hello, how are you, how you're doing, how's being things with you in this lockdown. So they are coming with a very simple and a very casual conversation. Okay, I'm seeing they are quite immature with where they are now, not quite sure about their feelings. I'm also seeing this person, they are coming rushing in. They will be very flirty. Their conversations will be quite immature. They won't talk much. They won't you won't see them emotionally investing too much. Okay, not emotionally conversing with you. I'm also seeing they will try to manipulate you. They might sweet talk you, try to sugarcoat things, try to win your heart and impress you. But I don't think them coming back with some solid offer. Okay, Scorpions, so be aware with that. I'm seeing you are quite angry. You are in your power. You're not giving in. You are standing strong with this Emperor. You don't want to give in to this person. You don't want some small and casual offers. You want a very strong commitment. You're in this phase in your life where you're not ready for any casual dating or any casual stuff out there. Okay, I think you feel as if this person is not the right person to invest into. They either might be too wishy-washy with their feelings. They might not express too much. They might keep things to themselves. With this Moon card, you feel as if this person don't express much, and you will be doing the same now onwards. If they are not investing, you are not investing too. You might be you will stand for yourself. You're taking stand for yourself. Okay, with this Daughter of Pentacles, you will invest very little into this person. You're not going to invest your heart and your feelings into this person, because with this bottom of deck Four of Cups, I think when this person left you, you were shattered. You were emotionally broke down. You had nothing, and you had no one to look by. Okay, and you don't want to invest into this person as much. Okay, so yes, let's see what messages do we have, what advice do we have for you Scorpions. Okay, I'm definitely seeing you're dealing with someone who is quite in this fool energy, though there is no fool card here, but I think this person is very playful. They are in and out of relationship. They are not, they always keep their feelings tight to their sleeves. They don't show as much, they don't express as much, they don't invest as much, and you are quite doing the same now, because in the past you did everything and you got nothing. You invested every bit of your feeling with this person, into this person, and they give you nothing. Okay, and this is what shook you off your feet, like this was a wake up call for you. Okay, I don't know why, but randomly this card is lying on my table. This is also a moon card. I am definitely seeing this person's energy is very wishy-washy. I don't know from where it came on the table, but definitely I am seeing this person is not quite, they are not right for you. Let me quote this way. Okay, so you must be very aware of the choices you make regards to this person or anyone coming in your life henceforth. Okay, let's see what advice do we have. Empathy, you feel and understand the emotions of another in the service of love. So I think you are quite empathetic person. You give your love, like you pour your love out to everyone. You might be a you might have Pisces in your chart, a very significant placement in your chart. Okay, I'm seeing being a Scorpion, I think you have that unconditional love, you have that vision, you have that unconditional love to give, and you gave it in the wrong, you gave it to the wrong person, which is quite bothering this time. Okay, but you have to show empathy. You don't have to change for this person. Okay, the next card is respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the, you respect people, you admire people, you respect for what they give. Okay, but be wary when you give out respect to people, because some of them are not worthy of it, and you need to understand and you need to differentiate them. Okay, then last is kindness. You are a humanitarian made of love, and you are able to share that energy. So I think these messages are coming out because this person broke you down, and this the amount of love and the amount of efforts you have invested into this person, they went into trash, and this is bothering you, that you invested your feelings into the wrong person. So you don't have to be unkind, you don't have to be disrespectful, or you don't have to show hatred to someone who genuinely loves you, because of some people like this. I think you must just move on. You don't have to allow this person back in your life. Okay, so this was it, Scorpions. I hope you liked this reading. If you haven't seen the July reading that I have done earlier to this, please take a look at it. I will link the video in the description and in the pinned comment. Okay, see you in the next video, Scorpions. Please take care of yourself.